Hello, I am our customer relations department manager. I am our customer relations manager here at Green Home Systems. And I just wanted to ask you guys, what is one of your favorite reasons for going solar?
Well, we always wanted to become energy efficient.
Yeah, energy efficiency. That's one of the things we built into this house is energy efficiency. I mean, we got 6-inch walls. We put in the thickest insulation you ever seen in your life. It's denim. It's used denim or old denim. So it's really built. It's different. Like I said, I got to send you a picture. It's really different.
That is awesome. And how would you say your solar experience has been from start to finish?
Pretty good.
It's been real good.
Yeah.
As an example, the first month, now I do a month per month evaluation. In other words, I go back and I say, okay, last year we did X amount from the electric company. This year we did X amount. For example, when they installed the system last July, we only got a partial month on it. Well, we saved over $100 over the year before bill.
Wow.
Because of just the increase in the solar. But where it really came into big play was in the winter when we used electrical heating and some, electrical heating, just our general electrical use to begin with, it just really, it made a big difference. And
yeah, it has.
I can give you an example. In February of 2021, it was $309.41 for the electricity that month, and that was like what we were paying in Texas. We decided, okay, so when I got my bill in February this year, it was down to $80 and we still heated the house. Yeah. And I thought, well, that's pretty good, but even since then, as the weather's gotten better and things like that, it's gone down. Like we had a credit of $8.13 last month. We didn't even have to make a payment last month on the electrical bill.
Well, that's not the only month.
And that's not the only month. We've had other months where we hadn't had to pay a dime.
That is amazing.
Yeah.
Yeah, it really is.
It really is. Yeah.
We wanted to get off the grid.
And also I'm kind of an environmentalist too. So I always, thought, we got to do something about warming the planet up. So here we go.
Yeah. And you guys are saving the environment, which is amazing, of course.
Yeah.
Of course. Would you guys continue to refer your neighbors and friends if they
Oh, yeah. Anybody wants to talk? Well, we get a lot of traffic at our house.
Well, I think you guys did an amazing testimonial. And I think you guys answered all of these questions beautifully. I think anyone watching this would definitely want to go solar.